What's going on, guys? Maverick here. Today we're back with another video on the channel, and today we're going to be doing some more Computercraft. And I know I've been doing this a lot, but it's because I really enjoy this, and also I want you guys to be able to learn how to do this. So in this episode we're going to be looking at monitors, and monitors that you connect to computers, and you can either do term.set, I'll look at that in a bit, but you can either use them to mimic what's on here, or you can use them to print things like this. I have made a little program here called print. Now if you just run it, it's like the other program that we made with the sending. If I do one as well, it didn't work. But if I do print, I want the location at the position 2x and 4y. Then if I do yeet, it prints it there, and then if I type lol, it prints it there. So on and so forth. So that's the basic use of monitors. If we can do term.redirect. We'll go into Lua and we'll go m equals peripheral.wrap. This is how you set something to be a monitor. But we have m.peripheral.wrap and it's on the right. And it means whenever you use the m function, you can do m.write, and you can do all the things. You can do m.clear, but we're gonna go term.redirect to m. It means all this comes up on here. Now if we reset the computer and we go L, nothing happens, but if we go into Lua and we type something, term.redirect, is M still a thing? No. Peripheral.wrap right. I think it all broke because I restarted it, but we're going to do M, and now it comes up with that. And now if we type something in there, this is now the key, this is now the screen instead of this. So what we're going to do is we're going to go exit, so we exit Lua, but that exited the term.redirect. But then we're going to edit test, and then we'll go peripheral.wrap right, m equals peripheral.wrap right, and we do term.redirect m, then we do print yeet. But for that we'll do a m.clear to get anything off there, and then we'll do a term.clear clear. Then we'll run that and it will print yeet. So we can make it do while true do, we go print read. Now we'll save that, run that, and whatever we type there gets said back to us on the monitor. So you can use that to just straight up project things onto monitors from the command line, and you can also use it, I guess, in a bit of a way. You could use this as an alternate keyboard to type on there or something like that. But now we're going to look at the other use of monitors. So we're going to go edit mon, and we're going to do the same, m equals peripheral.wrap on the right. But this time we're not going to use the term functions, we're going to use the monitor functions. So in this we have m dot write, and we can write something. We have m dot clear, we have m dot set background color, and we can set that to 1, that would be white. I'm going to remove those. Or then m dot clear, so that will set the background color to white. If we do white, then we do m dot clear. We'll go m dot set cursor oh no, it's not that, it's text color. We'll set that to colors dot black. American spelling. It is easier though, so I kinda like it. Then we'll do m dot write, and we'll write yeet. Then we'll do m dot set cursor pause to 1 with the y2. We need to also do this here. Just do m dot set cursor pause to 1 and 1, and this is kind of like an x, y, and z. And then we'll go m dot write long. Save, and we'll run that. So it's written yeet and it's written lol, and just to make it look a bit better that it's not typing it, we'll go back up to here and we'll go m dot set, I think it's blink, no, it's set cursor blink, I'm pretty sure. There. Now it doesn't have the blinking light like at the end of it and that, like that. So it looks a bit better, but that's the basic things you can do. We'll set that to 3 as well. You can see it's another one down, and if we set that to 4, then it's further across, and you can do that for a screen, and the bigger it is, the more X and Y positions you have. Oh, I probably shouldn't have done that, but this is a 3x3 monitor, and there's probably, I would say there's probably about like 20 position X and Y positions, or 20 that way and 20 that way. Probably more as well, because you can be very precise. And another thing we can do is we can go m.set text scale to 1, and if we run that, it's normal. But if we set it to 3 and then we run it, it's really big. And you can do that to do a lot of things. We'll write in big letters at the top, and 3 we'll write there as like a logo. We'll write yeet. Then we'll go to here, and then we'll go m.set text scale, and then we'll set it back to 1, and then we'll write lol. And I forgot that happens. We need to set this to like 10. We need to make sure that it doesn't wipe out the other stuff, because at the moment it's writing over top of the other stuff. And it's still not working. There's something wrong with monitors that means that does that, but I don't really know what it is. It may be fixed by using the term function, but because you can do term.write, term.set text scale and all that stuff, but to be honest, I don't know. But yeah, it's been about a 12-minute episode. Quickly, we're gonna go and look at touchscreen. So we're gonna have, we're gonna edit mon. We're gonna remove this part. And then we're gonna set background color to colors dot black, and we'll set the text color to colors dot red, and then if we run that, it will do that, but we'll make it once it's typed the thing, and once it's cleared it, we'll go m.set background color to 1 for white. And what this means is that when you do it, only the things that clear the screen, like the typing, will make the background white, like that. Now we have the X and Y, which are 12 and 10. Once we've written that, we'll go while true do, and then we'll go X and Y equals os dot pull event. And I'll be back in a second. I just gotta check what this event is called. I have found the event, so we will have, it is the event, so the name of the event, the peripheral will have the mon underscore name, and then we'll have the X and the Y position of the touch, so that whenever you touch something, this will detect that, and it's like the read command, it will run whatever after it. So whenever I touch it, it will give me the event name, the monitor name, and the X and the Y. And we'll do os dot pull event, and it's monitor monitor underscore touch. Now we'll go print X and print X and Y. Now we'll go end, and if I go run that, wherever I touch the screen it tells me. And 12, 13 and 14 are where that is, so we need to go if X, no Y because it's only on one Y position, if Y is equal to 10 and X is greater than 11 and less than, if it's less than 15 and X is greater than 12, 11 should be, then print yeet. We'll run that. Oh yeah, we need a, then if we touch anywhere else it does nothing, but if we touch if X, no, I do need to swap it around. If X is less than 15 but greater than 11, run this. If I click anywhere it does nothing, but if I click in the specified places where lol is, it comes up with yeet. So that's a basic touchscreen. And now what we'll do is we'll do m.set cursor pos to 12 and 14 and 11, 14 and 14. Then we'll do m dot write. This is a multiple touchscreen. We'll write yeet because it's longer than lol. So this is what you can do. We'll go that, and that writes both of them. And then because you can only touch one place at a time, we don't have to check for each position. We can just do an else if, which means if this one's true, then it doesn't even bother doing this one because it knows that because you click there you're not also clicking there at the same time. Or if you did, it wouldn't care anyway because it wouldn't be very good. So if y is equal to 14 and if x is less than, or it would be 14, 15, 16, or this one would be add 4, so that would be 18 I think. We'll just have to test it. And if x is greater than 13, then print yeet, and we'll make this one print lol, and we'll run that. If we click anywhere, nothing happens. If I click over there, nothing happens. But if I click on yeet, it does it. The 4 letters I click, then it stops, and it's the same with lol. Lol, 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 and then stops. So there's a basic touch screen, and you can use that for all sorts of different things. And I have in my banking app, which I will be showing you guys, it will be a It's just a basic version for now, which just lets you transfer stuff and check your balance. But it's pretty cool, and in the future I'll be working on being able to put money on your cards without having someone do it, and making it more secure, and also showing you guys how to use HTTP servers and WebSocket servers. Don't know which one yet, so that you could make it they can't cheat the system. So it's all stored on a separate server, so they can't interfere with the balances. But that's that. We have the monitor program. I'll quickly show you the print program. That's it. And then we just have the test program we made, which just writes on the screen whatever we typed. But that's going to be it for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed, and I will see you next time.